Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of audio on the application of Tinder app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of audio voice on Tinder app, you should just go to settings. And first you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Tinder. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can enhance your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.